Who else? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sinong dito nanood ng Lovers in Paris sa Pilipinas? It's a TV series in the Philippines, and then this is and this is the I'm getting confused. This is the theme song. So bayan niyo ako. Please feel free to sing with me. I haven't sang this song for such a long time. But they're already reviving this again, so you can watch it in TFC, starring Casey Concepcion and Piolo Pascual. Makinikilig na. Gusto ka ba sabihin? Ba't di napakali? Hindi makatingin, sana'y huwag mo na itong paipasin. Subukan lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang narapat sa akin, na tunay ko mamahalin. Huwag na huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong pag-ibig ko, handang ibigay kahit pabayaan mo. Saba? Continue? Ano ba ang nakakala na kung isang bibig na walang sasambahin? Ano ba nito ipakita? Abot lang ilang daig sa mga sinabi mo na ibang narapat sa akin, na tunay ko mamahalin. Everybody! Huwag na huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama itong pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pabayaan mo. So then, I want to call on someone, and she's a good friend of mine. And I found out we were instant friends because she knew the song already. So her name's Jennifer. Jennifer. Can we give her a hand? I can't imagine all it lays, the more I'll let it go. I don't understand, it's hard feeling so bad now when I know it was my dear. I guess just a young dream that why am I the only one standing? It's just that I'm sacred. Kayo naririnig ko kayo, hindi kayo makakita. It's been a long time wrote a little bit too much to fit this excuse to feel the sympathy. I'll be